In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear transmission mount on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to go up through the subframe in through the access hole and remove the nut on the bottom of our mount. Remove the nut and do the same thing on the back one. Remove the nut. Using a jack and a piece of wood, we're going to jack up the transmission slightly. Using a 14mm socket, remove the bolts out of the transmission for the transmission mount. I'm going to crack both of these free. Remove the mount. Install the new mount. Going to get the top bolt started. Snug down the bolts. Torque the top bolts to 28 foot-pounds. Install the nuts onto the bottom of the transmission mount. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bottom nuts to 28 foot-pounds. Remove the jack from the transmission. Install the wheel. Get the 5 lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque your wheels to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.